You open a $100 account, and your brain instantly says, "Get rich quick." That mindset is exactly why most traders never make it past year one.
Turning $100 into real wealth has nothing to do with speed. It's about thinking in decades, not days. Slow, steady growth always beats reckless, fast gains.
One legendary trader borrowed $1,600 in the 1970s. He didn't chase home runs. He followed strict rules, kept losses tiny, and let time do the work. Within a decade, over 200 million.
A beginner looks at $100 and sees nothing. A future millionaire sees a seed. You don't eat the seed. You plant it. You protect it. Dig it up too often, and you kill it.
Grow just 5% a week, and $100 becomes around $10,000 in under 5 years. Keep going. 6 figures, then 7. The process never changes. Only the zeros do.
Instead of compounding, most traders gamble. They risk half their account on one trade. It loses twice, and the account, their confidence, both collapse.
If you can't respect $100, you'll never respect $100,000. Same game, bigger scoreboard. Comment your starting account size below. Subscribe to Trader Mind Secrets for more.